Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, I love the thrill of roller coasters.
What's your favorite fast food restaurant?
My favorite fast food restaurant is McDonald's.
Do you like to write stories?
Yes, I enjoy writing short stories.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Monopoly.
Do you like thunderstorms?
Yes, I find them quite relaxing.
What's your favorite museum?
My favorite museum is the Louvre.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing on weekends.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is to read a book.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I love seeing the animals.
What's your favorite comic book?
My favorite comic book is Spider-Man.
Do you like picnics?
Yes, I enjoy having picnics in the park.
What's your favorite type of soup?
My favorite type of soup is tomato soup.
Do you like to sing karaoke?
Yes, I love singing karaoke with friends.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
My favorite type of pasta is spaghetti.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy photography as a hobby.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
My favorite holiday tradition is decorating the Christmas tree.
Do you like attending live sports events?
Yes, I love the energy of live sports events.
What's your favorite type of salad?
My favorite type of salad is Caesar salad.
Do you like to go bowling?
Yes, I enjoy going bowling with friends.
What's your favorite type of bread?
My favorite type of bread is sourdough.
Do you like to build things?
Yes, I enjoy building things with my hands.
What's your favorite video game?
My favorite video game is The Legend of Zelda.
Do you like to visit the library?
Yes, I love the quiet atmosphere of the library.
What's your favorite thing to do in the summer?
My favorite thing to do in the summer is to go to the beach.
Do you like to collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
What's your favorite kind of pie?
My favorite kind of pie is apple pie.
Do you like playing chess?
Yes, I enjoy the strategy involved in chess.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
My favorite type of chocolate is dark chocolate.
Do you like to do yoga?
I find yoga very relaxing.
What's your favorite thing to do on a day off?
My favorite thing to do on a day off is to go for a hike.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I enjoy watching cartoons.
What's your favorite seafood dish?
My favorite seafood dish is shrimp scampi.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the mountains.
What's your favorite type of smoothie?
My favorite type of smoothie is a berry smoothie.
Do you like visiting historical sites?
Yes, I find history very fascinating.
What's your favorite snack to have at the movies?
My favorite snack at the movies is popcorn.
Do you like to do puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy doing jigsaw puzzles.
What's your favorite breakfast cereal?
My favorite breakfast cereal is Cheerios 1 or 19.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite type of fruit juice?
My favorite type of fruit juice is apple juice.
Do you like to play golf?
Yes, I enjoy playing golf on weekends.
What's your favorite thing to do in the winter?
My favorite thing to do in the winter is to go skiing. Do you like to eat spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy food. What's your favorite type of cake?
My favorite type of cake is chocolate cake 1.
And do you like to go to amusement parks?
Yes, I love going to amusement parks.
What's your favorite type of sushi?
My favorite type of sushi is salmon nigiri.
Do you like to do arts and crafts?
Yes, I enjoy making things with my hands.
What's your favorite type of tea?
My favorite type of tea is green tea.
Do you like to play tennis?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
What's your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
My favorite thing to do on a sunny day is to go for a walk in the park.